Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of block. A large piece of hard material that is solid, such as rock, stone or wood. It usually has flat surfaces on all sides. For example, a block of marble. The second definition of block. One large building that can be subdivided into rooms, apartments, and offices. For example, an apartment block. American pronunciation. Block. Block. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Block. Say. Block. Block means large piece of hard material. Block. Block. Block origin. Middle English denoting a tree stump or log. From Old French block noun, bloker verb, and Middle Dutch block. Unknown ultimate origin. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Common building materials are concrete blocks and bricks. Now, repeat after me. Common building materials are concrete blocks and bricks. The second practice. Alex indicated a small, wooden block embedded in the stone floor. Now, repeat after me. Alex indicated a small, wooden block embedded in the stone floor. Visual representation of block. Block means a large piece of hard material that is solid, such as rock, stone or wood. It usually has flat surfaces on all sides.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.